during the time that the Commission has not been sitting from beginning of June, that time has enabled us to carefully look at the work that has been, or the ground that has been covered by the Commission in the various work streams. And I'm able to say that as things stand, subject to one qualification, we should have had all oral evidence by the end of June that the Commission considers to be important. I said this is subject to one qualification. That qualification is that there are about 5 or 6 witnesses that the Commission has identified as important to be called to the Commission before the Commission can properly conclude the hearing of oral evidence. That is apart from the President, because the President must still come back. The President and the Commission had previously tentatively identified the 29th of June and the 30th of June as the days when the President would return to the Commission to complete his evidence in his capacity as the President of the ANC and to give evidence in his capacity as President of the country and former Deputy President of the country. But the 5 or 6 witnesses or implicated persons that I've said the Commission has identified will not be able to give evidence during June. Therefore, it means that by the end of June, we will still be needing some days to hear the evidence of those 5 or 6 witnesses and the evidence of the President before we can finally conclude oral evidence. We are going to be applying to the High Court to get more time so that we can complete the work of the Commission properly. If the High Court grants us an extension, we will be able to hear the evidence of those 5 or 6 witnesses in July, as well as the evidence of the President, hopefully before or not later than 15 July. And once we have had the evidence of those 5 or 6 witnesses and the evidence of the President, then that should conclude the hearing of oral evidence of the Commission, which started in August 2018. In the course of this morning, I will sign the affidavit that must form part of the application papers that must be launched in the High Court, where the Commission will ask the High Court for an extension of time. We are going to ask for an extension of time from the end of June up to the end of September. My assessment is that the preparation of the report should be complete by the end of August, but I would like to have September, just in case we don't complete the report at the end of August.